My name is Cartwright. I'm the Midwest Territory Sales Manager at Kasco Marine. I've been with Kasco for about 2 years now. Before that, I worked as an aquatic biologist in the field, managing lakes and ponds for the past 16 years before that. So I got a lot of experience in the field with lakes and ponds. The VFX Fountain line is kind of what I would consider our hybrid fountain. It gives you that standard classic V-shaped pattern along with a little bit more water quality attributes that you get with that. You're going to be mixing a little bit more water with those. It's got an open throat design with a propeller, so you're putting up a little bit more water and you're going to have that, oxygen air interface where you're going to add more circulation to the water. So more benefits to the pond along with the aesthetics. The VFX Fountain line is available from 1/2 horsepower to 5 horsepower. It does utilize a V-shaped aerating fountain pattern with that design. The VFX Fountain will help with water quality within your pond. It's going to help with the added water movement and circulation and aeration. You'll get the ripple effect more with that just because it's moving more water, so it is a benefit tool to use with a troublesome nuisance algae growing pond or something like that. The VFX Fountain line has got a similar maintenance. You're going to want to remove it in the Midwest. Once you get to the winter months, late fall, you're going to pull it. You'll put it back in the spring. Similar routine over the course of the summer. Just visual inspection, make sure that it's performing properly and you're not getting any built up on the prop shaft or anything like that.